Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a wig that I purchased with my own money from wigtypes.com. This is their Made Beauty synthetic 6-inch lace part wig, Kailey. I purchased her in the color BO4340. The 6-inch parting that it includes is already pre-plucked for you, therefore there is no need to include any type of powder or foundation in the parting space, as it is already very realistic. Also with this wig, it's about 10 to 12 inches long. So therefore, if you want something short, this may be your go-to. If you would like to see more about this wig, please continue watching the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This wig is from the company Made Beauty. This is my first time hearing about this company within the last month or so. But this is their style, Kailey. She's in the color B04340, and it comes in more colors. The lace is 6 inches and is pretty deep. Yeah, I feel like this is a very beginner style wig. It's definitely something to grab and really go out the door. I did not put any powder in this parting space, but if you wanted to, the two options that I choose from is the Fit Me, or one from your local beauty supply store, Ruby Kisses, and it's this kind right here. So either of those two I think will do. I feel like these colors are pretty close to each other, but I didn't feel the need right now to even put powder in the parting space. But when you compare the two, that's about just what they look like. Give or take the lighting just a little bit. Other than that, I feel like this wig is perfect for beginners. There is no lace to cut. There is no powder that you have to put in the parting space. You didn't have to make any baby hairs. You can just kind of plop it on and go. I did comb it and, run my fingers through it because the wig was just kind of flat. So just to give it more body, I just fluffed it up with my hand some. And I think the cut is super cute. Cut is super cute. And the little waves that it has in it, I think it's very natural looking, and it's nothing too crazy. So I'll leave a link below of a few places of where you can find this wig. Thank you all for watching another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe as usual. This is very beginner friendly, so if you know anyone who wants to start wearing wigs or just interested, I feel like this one is a really good place to start with if they are okay with a left side part and then also being short. Well, on the shorter side, it's about, I would say 10 to 12 inches. So, and this is the side and everything pulled to the back. So, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and more beginner friendly videos will be to come. All right.